Okay, this is for Lee, who bought the forward focus cluster repair and cloning equipment. What you want to do, take USB, plug it into your laptop, copy the files across to this one here. Okay, so here's your files. If we try and load it now without anything connected, it won't work. Okay, so what we need to do, we'll plug the security dongle in first. Installing device driver software. Okay. So it was installed successfully, which is good. Now we'll plug in our interface, plug that in as well. Why do you always get the USBs in the wrong way around first time? There we go, plug that in. Installing the device software. Okay, it's ready to use. Now let's see. Okay, so she's flashing away. Let's click on empty tool light. And there you go. Easy as that. Go into forward. So let's say you to forward, focus, Mark II, whatever. Click on that. There we go. Or say, for example, you wanted to change the mileage on, I did one today on a Mark 7 Transit. Mark 7 Transit, click it on there, there you go. You can do that by OBD. Change the mileage on the Mark 7 Transit, pop to another one in. Okay, so that's what you're looking at. So we get out of that, get out of that. Okay, so that's what you have to do. So you take your USB, you plug it into your laptop, you copy the files across to your desktop. You plug in your security dongle first. Let it load the software, let it install. Okay, once it's installed, you plug in your interface. Once the interface is installed, you can then use it, and there's nothing more to it. Nice and easy. Okay, thanks for watching.